In continuation with our series on traditional Indian summer drinks, the 10th recipe in our series is Bengal's very own buttermilk or lassi, popularly known as Gondhoraj Ghol, a drink that is so refreshing, rejuvenating, and wonderfully fragrant. You can find the links for all the episodes in the description box below. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. Yogurt is required for the preparation. Yogurt and buttermilk are called as Ghol in Bengali. We will need Himalayan rock salt or Indupu, black salt or Kala Namak, sugar, and of course, Gondhoraj Lebu, which is the star of the recipe. Lebu in Bengali is lemon. Native to eastern India, also called as Rangpur Lime, it is a hybrid of lime and Mandarin Orange. For the preparation, take Gondhoraj lemon. This lemon is bright green in color and oblong shaped. Gondhoraj means the king of fragrance. Hence, Gondhoraj lemon is called the king of lemon. It is the Indian equivalent to kaffir lime. Grate the skin. It has a thick skin. Even as I am grating, I am getting the heavenly aroma. Scrape and use only the outer green portion to get the best flavor and taste. Cut the lemon and squeeze out the extract. You have to use all your strength to extract the juice as the juice is scarce. But what juice you get with a little bit of the pulp is quite strong with a pleasant fragrance and enough to pep up any dish. To a mixer jar, add 2 cups of yogurt. Add 2 cups of water. I am reserving some water as I am going to add ice cubes. Add 3 teaspoons of sugar or according to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt, and 2 teaspoons of Gondhoraj lime zest. Add ice cubes. Blend for a minute. Open the mixer jar. You can see that it has become frothy and creamy. Add 1 teaspoon of the lemon juice. The juice of Gondhoraj lemon also has a slightly sweetish note compared to other varieties. Do not blend, just stir. Pour it into glasses. Top up with Gondhoraj lemon zest. Serve chilled. With its wonderful fragrance and citrusy notes, I must say that this is one of the best buttermilk preparations I have had. Gondhoraj lemon is truly the king of lemon. If you liked the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Saturday for another interesting traditional drink recipe.